I didn't expect to love this chicken pot pie recipe as much as I do. Honestly, I think I've even dreamed about it. We're making things easy by using store-bought rotisserie chicken and puff pastry. Anyone can make this pot pie and it'll look and taste like you've spent hours on it. You'll start with onion, carrot, celery, and garlic for the base, then chop fresh sage for later. It's the best. Cook the veggies in a generous amount of butter in an oven-safe skillet. I use a 10-inch cast iron pan and it works perfectly. Once the veggies have softened, sprinkle flour over them and stir until it's a bit toasty. Slowly pour in chicken broth or stock, stirring well to avoid lumps, then make it extra creamy with milk. Now comes the fun part. Add 4 heaping cups of chicken, the sage, and a generous cup of peas. Gently mix everything into the sauce. The pan is going to be full, but if you go slow, you should be okay. Now roll out thawed puff pastry so it fits your pan, then lay it on top and trim any extra. I use all the pastry and tuck the trim pieces into the areas where the edges look thin. We can call this the Joanne crimp. Just press the edges together so they look a bit ruffled. Add a few slits for steam to escape, brush over some egg wash, then bake until the crust is golden and puffed. Honestly, it doesn't get much better than this. It looks beautiful and best of all, it tastes amazing.